License renewals and accreditation. Maintenance winning approval is step on. Keeping it is the job. Build a master compliance calendar for all deadlines. State license renewals, annual reports and fees, accreditor updates, interim reports, reaffirmations. Assign owners and set 90, 60, 30-day reminders. Track changes that need prior approvals. New programs, locations, leadership, or ownership. Keep clean financials and timely audits. Monitor reserves and debt covenants if applicable. Maintain faculty files, transcripts, CVs, PD records. Maintain student files, enrollment, satisfactory progress. Update catalogs and handbooks annually. Version control every policy. Date it clearly. Run internal mini-audits each term. Fix gaps before regulators find them. Accreditors expect continuous improvement. Assess outcomes, act and document the action. Publish consumer info honestly and on time. If Title IX or SEVP meet federal rules consistently. Train staff, compliance lives in daily habits. Admissions, refunds, attendance, and disclosures. Monitor complaint logs and resolutions. Keep board minutes and strategic planning evidence. For multi-state schools, centralize reporting data. Standard definitions prevent messy variances. Rehearse for site visits with mock reviews. Orient faculty and students on what to expect. Align narratives to real verifiable evidence. If you slip, disclose and correct proactively. Accreditors prefer candor with a fix in motion. Reaffirm cost reality. Operations aren't set and forget. How much does it cost to renew a school license? Also ask cost to maintain accreditation every year. Compliance avoids expensive surprises later. An accreditation consultant can lighten the load. Calendars, templates, and mock audits save time. We provide ongoing compliance services, license renewals, evidence curation, narrative drafting, state, accreditor, and federal requirements aligned. Keep your focus on students and outcomes. We'll guard the timelines and requirements. Your reputation grows with consistent quality. Your risk drops with disciplined systems. Ready to simplify maintenance across the board? We can become your external compliance office. Predictable renewals, smooth visits, fewer surprises. That's how resilient schools operate. Stay licensed. Stay accredited. Stay trusted. Expert Education Consultants keeps you in good standing. Call me today to schedule your consultation. I've been helping clients for over a decade, and I look forward to helping you. Call 925-208-9037 or email Sandra at experteduconsult.com.